The Cadillac Vistiq 2026 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting luxury electric SUVs of the future, combining futuristic styling, premium comfort, and advanced electric performance into one impressive package. Cadillac has been pushing hard into the EV market, and the Vistiq is expected to become a perfect example of how luxury and technology can work together in a modern vehicle. From the very first look, the SUV carries a bold and elegant design language that instantly makes it stand out on the road. The sharp LED lighting signature, aggressive front fascia, aerodynamic body lines, and illuminated Cadillac badge create a futuristic appearance that feels both premium and powerful at the same time. Cadillac designers have clearly focused on making the Vistiq look modern while still keeping the brand's classic luxury identity alive. The front of the SUV appears wide and commanding, giving it strong road presence, while the smooth side profile adds a refined and aerodynamic touch that improves both efficiency and style. Large alloy wheels, flush door handles, and sculpted body panels make the vehicle look sophisticated from every angle. At the rear, slim vertical taillights and a sporty tailgate design complete the futuristic appearance perfectly. The overall exterior design feels clean, elegant, and technologically advanced, making the Vistiq one of the most attractive luxury electric SUVs in its class. Inside the cabin, the Cadillac Vistiq 2026 is expected to deliver an ultra-premium experience with high-end materials, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional comfort for both drivers and passengers. The dashboard design is likely to feature a massive curved digital display stretching across the front cabin, combining the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless screen. Cadillac has been investing heavily in advanced interior technology, and the Vistiq could easily become one of the most high-tech SUVs the company has ever produced. Soft leather upholstery, ambient lighting, premium wood or aluminum trim, and advanced seating comfort are expected to create a luxurious atmosphere that feels futuristic yet relaxing. The SUV is also expected to provide spacious seating across multiple rows, making it practical for families while still maintaining a premium luxury feel. The seats could include heating, ventilation, massage functions, and memory settings to maximize passenger comfort during long journeys. Cadillac may also equip the Vistiq with a premium sound system designed to deliver immersive audio quality throughout the cabin. One of the most important aspects of the Cadillac Vistiq 2026 is its electric performance. Built on General Motors' advanced Ultium platform, the SUV is expected to offer impressive driving range, fast charging capability, and strong acceleration performance. Electric vehicles are becoming increasingly popular because of their instant torque delivery, and the Vistiq could provide smooth yet powerful acceleration that feels effortless in everyday driving. Multiple motor configurations may be available, including dual-motor all-wheel drive systems that improve traction and stability in different road conditions. The SUV is expected to balance comfort and sportiness very well, delivering a refined ride quality while still maintaining responsive handling. Cadillac engineers are likely focusing on making the Vistiq feel quiet and smooth on the road, which is one of the biggest advantages of modern electric vehicles. Without the noise of a traditional gasoline engine, passengers can enjoy a more peaceful and premium driving experience. The battery technology inside the Vistiq is also expected to support fast charging, allowing drivers to recharge the vehicle quickly during road trips or daily use. Range anxiety has always been one of the biggest concerns for EV buyers, but Cadillac is expected to provide competitive battery performance that makes the Vistiq practical for both city driving and long-distance travel. Technology will play a huge role in the Cadillac Vistiq 2026, and the SUV is expected to include some of the most advanced features available in the automotive industry. Cadillac's latest infotainment systems already support wireless smartphone connectivity, voice controls, navigation systems, and cloud-based services, and the Vistiq is likely to improve these features even further. Artificial intelligence integration, personalized driver profiles, and advanced digital assistance could become part of the experience, allowing the vehicle to adapt to individual driver preferences automatically. Safety and driver assistance systems are also expected to be a major focus for Cadillac. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and advanced parking assistance may all come standard or available in higher trims. Cadillac's Super Cruise hands-free driving technology could also be included, giving drivers access to one of the most advanced semi-autonomous driving systems available today. This technology allows the vehicle to handle certain highway driving tasks automatically, reducing stress during long journeys. The Cadillac Vistiq 2026 may also feature advanced cameras, sensors, and radar systems designed to improve both safety and convenience in daily driving situations. Luxury SUV buyers today expect more than just comfort and performance, because sustainability is becoming increasingly important in the automotive world. The Cadillac Vistiq Vistiq represents a major step towards an electric future where luxury vehicles can deliver strong performance while producing zero tailpipe emissions. Cadillac's transition towards electric mobility shows how traditional luxury brands are adapting to changing customer demands and environmental goals. The Vistiq is expected to compete with some of the biggest names in the luxury EV market, including premium electric SUVs from European and American manufacturers. To stand out in this competitive segment, Cadillac needs to combine performance, luxury, technology, and design into one complete package, and the Vistiq appears ready to do exactly that. The SUV's futuristic styling alone could attract buyers looking for something unique and modern, while the advanced technology and electric performance make it appealing for drivers who want the latest innovations. Another important factor for the Cadillac Vistiq 2026 is practicality. Luxury SUVs are often chosen because they provide a balance between family-friendly usability and premium comfort. The Vistiq is expected to offer generous cargo space, flexible seating arrangements, and smart storage solutions throughout the cabin. Foldable rear seats and a spacious rear cargo area could make the SUV ideal for road trips, shopping, and daily family use. Cadillac may also include advanced climate control systems with multiple zones, panoramic glass roofs, and customizable ambient lighting to enhance the passenger experience even further. The exterior dimensions are expected to provide a commanding driving position while still maintaining smooth maneuverability in urban environments. Cadillac's focus on comfort and refinement could make the Vistiq one of the best long-distance cruisers in the electric SUV market. As the automotive industry moves deeper into electrification, vehicles like the Cadillac Vistiq 2026 represent the future of luxury transportation. Buyers today want vehicles that feel modern, connected, efficient, and environmentally responsible without sacrificing comfort or performance. Cadillac seems ready to embrace this future by creating a luxury EV that combines all these qualities into one stylish package. The Vistiq could become an important model for Cadillac's future lineup because it demonstrates the brand's commitment to innovation and premium electric mobility. Every detail of the SUV appears designed to create a futuristic experience, from the advanced digital cabin to the sleek exterior styling and silent electric powertrain. For many drivers, the Vistiq may represent the perfect balance between technology and luxury, offering a vehicle that feels exciting to drive while also being practical for everyday life. The growing popularity of electric SUVs means competition in this segment will continue to increase, but Cadillac's strong reputation for luxury and comfort gives the Vistiq a solid foundation. If Cadillac delivers the expected performance, range, and technology, the Vistiq could easily become one of the most desirable electric luxury SUVs on the market. It captures the idea of modern luxury perfectly by combining innovation, elegance, sustainability, and performance into a single futuristic vehicle that reflects the direction of the automotive world.